Hey kids, Jeff at Auto Sauce. In this video today, we're going to make our tires look nice, shiny, and new. We're going to use our Black Trim Marinade coupled with our applicator pad. And we're going to need one more other ingredient to make this mix work, and that is a dirty microfiber. You don't want to use a clean one, and you'll see why in this next part. So let's get to work. All right. We're here, we've got our tire that needs some dressing on it. What's nice about our Black Trim Marinade is it isn't like overly shiny, and it just gives the tires a nice natural shine to them. So what we want to do is just pour a little on our applicator pad. I like to just get it nice and filled up. Let it soak in a little bit. And I'm just gonna go around almost like a clock. Start at the top, work my way down and back up. And one more lap because this is a little bit bigger tire. I'll even go backwards a little bit, get that edge. And what I'm gonna do is I'll let this sit for a few minutes. I would actually go around and do the other 3 tires and then come back to this one, and that's when we would use our dirty microfiber that I asked you guys to get. This was unfortunately the dirtiest one I could find. It's still pretty clean, but once we let this sit for a minute, we're going to go back and almost dry off the wheel or tire. This is going to prevent the slinging going down the side of your car. There's a lot of times I've seen it. Tires look great. You look down the side of the car and you can see all these little splatters. Doing this last step here is going to eliminate that from happening. So I'm just gonna, same thing, just start at the top and just work ourselves around. One more lap on the inside edge. Just make sure we're basically just getting all that excess dressing off, which is now leaving back just that nice natural shine to it. So if you want a natural, nice looking shine to your tires, head over to our website, pick up some Black Trim Marinade. While you're there, pick up some microfibers and an applicator pad and get sauced. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.